Good morning, everyone. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Fit India Week 2020. Okay, so we'll start the session with prayer. First of all, sit in any comfortable position, like I am sitting in Ardha Vajrasana, Padmasana Mudra, and start the prayer. Rub your hands and take the blessing of God. As we start the session with some standing asana, and then later on we'll every standing asana which we are going to perform in session, we'll count it till 1 to 10 number. So start with first. Now we are going to do Tadasana. Stand on feet, balance your body and take a breath. Shake your hands straight, stretch up. Balance your body weight on your toes and count 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then relax. Now the second one, for that stretch your full body till back and keep your both hand under your feet. That is Padahasta Asana. Okay, start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now relax. Come to the same position, relax. Okay. Now we are going to perform Trikonasana. As I always said, if one asana is having two-way bending or two-way stretching, then always repeat both side session, okay, together after one by one. First, I am going to bend my left side. So, see towards outer and start counting. 1. This is Trikonasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Same way you need to repeat from other side. As we are already stretched the legs, make your right feet towards out and start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now relax. Slowly come back to the same position. Okay, then make your full body relax. Now next one asana we are going to perform is Vrikshasana. First balance your body on your one leg and stretch your both arms together up. Start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, same way we'll repeat from other side. Sometimes if it is not balancing, because it's need the strong foot is easily made the balance, but other foot is not able to make it properly. So first balance your leg and then you stretch your arms up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Relax. Same way, relax. Okay, this is the Vrikshasana we have done. So next is first stretch your both legs. We are going to do the warrior pose, Veerbhadra Asana. For that, stretch your any leg and create the 90-degree angle, and your back leg should be straight. Both hands stretch up together and bend it. This is Veerbhadra Asana type 1 warrior pose. We can say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then relax. Same way we need to repeat from other side. Okay, stretch your legs. Make your which side you are going to bend, that knee, that side turn your full body, and then stretch your both arms, join the hands and bend it forward. Start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Slowly relax. Okay, now next asana we are going to perform is Veerbhadra Asana type 2. It is a type 2 only, slightly changes in the arms position and body move. Stretch your both legs together and same way, but the body should not see at the sides. It should see from the front side. Both hands should be on air, and start counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now relax. Same way you need to bend from your right side also. Okay, start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now relax. Make sure while bending your knees, don't try to bend your back. Okay, and then now we are going to perform some sitting asanas. So sit in a relaxed way properly on the mat, and then we'll perform some sitting asanas as we have done already many times. So first inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Take a normal breath. Okay, then make your both legs open. Fold your one leg and then another leg, same way. This is the Vajrasana Yoga Mudra, in which we are going to perform the actual asana. This is the Yoga Mudra in which you can easily chant or meditate. But now we are performing Shashanka Asana, in which we are slowly stretching your both arms together, and we are keeping our forehead on the floor. Counting start 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Now slowly come up. Okay, don't try to push your body back. Now relax. Now make your both legs also relax slowly. Sit in comfortable position. Okay. Make your both legs clockwise or anti-clockwise relax. Yes, this is the right way. Now we are going to perform the next asana. Sitting in Vajrasana only. Now we are going to perform. Sit in Vajrasana first, then come on, stand on your knees together. Take a little gap between your knees from the front side, and then toes should be up, and one by one hold your ankles and try to see at the back side from your face. Okay, and start counting 1. The name of asana is Ushtrasana type 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly relax. You are already in half relaxed position, and full relax means you need to relax. Sit on the floor. Toes should be flat. It should be joined from the back, and come to the more relaxed position. Keep your legs open from both sides. Okay, then shake your feet properly, and then now come, we are going to do the next asana. Make your both legs in front side, make straight, feet straight from back, and now keep your one feet near the groin area, and then stretch your both arms up and keep your touch your toes, or either hold your toes and start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now relax. Same way we need to repeat the session from other side. Ardha Paschimottanasana, only slightly changing in the arm or hand position, that name is changed. Paschimottanasana also is kind of same asana, only we are touching the toes, and we are keeping trying our head to touch the knee. Hold the breath and then relax. Okay, very good. This is the way. Now keep your both legs up open and make it relax. Now I am sitting in Ardha Padmasana. This is a comfortable position, or this is the that workout position also. Join your hands from the up and slowly, okay, you need to come down. This is Ardha Padmasana Yoga Mudra. You must be knowing it. We have already done many times. This is Ardha Padmasana Yoga Mudra. In this also you can chant or meditate if you want to stay longer. Same way we need to keep our one leg, upper leg down and down leg up again. That is, we are repeating the session in Ardha Padmasana Yoga Mudra. Same way, inhale proper and then start. Keep your both hands straight up. Join your hands and come slowly. Keep your stomach inside and try to touch the floor. Okay. Now slowly get up. Slowly. Okay. And then relax. Okay. Relax. Very good. Keep your body relaxed. Sit in Sukhasana. Sukhasana, simply we are sitting on the floor Open your both legs again and then come and sit in. Make the position of Vajrasana again. Keep your both legs fold. Now for next asana, you can keep your both knees apart from front. Slowly. You can take the help of your hands also. Keep your both hands between the gap like this, and your toes should be touched from back, and slowly you can take stance. If you are not feeling comfortable, take the help of your hands, give the pressure on your hands and more stretch you can get, and then slowly. This is the frog position, but in this you have to go down like in a crawling way. The kid is crawling on the floor now, that way you need to go slowly. You have to touch your forehead, full body should touch the floor, and count the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So relax. Okay. Now take the help of your hand and come to the previous position and relax. Okay, and relax. Make your feet also relax from back. Come to the previous position in which we have started the asana, and Sukhasana you can easily sit. Okay, this is the only I am sitting in now Ardha Padmasana.